Okay, so here we have an optical experiment today. We have an empty jar and arrows that are pointing from right to left. And now I'll put some water inside the jar to see what will be the effect. Okay, now we start to see that the arrow is reversed, pointing on the other direction. Now the second arrow is also reversed. Let me show you. Yes, you see? Now the arrows are reversed. Okay, let me show you. The arrows initially are pointing from right to left, but if we put water, they're reversed. So here comes the explanation how it works. Okay, so here is the explanation of the experiment. So we have the arrow over here, and we have a ray that is coming from here. It's refracted at the surface of the jar with the water, and then refracted again. On the other side, again, we have the rays that are following this path. And assume we are here, we are watching from here, and we see reverse of the arrow. Actually, it depends where we move. This is the focus. If we move close to the jar, then we should not see the reverse of the arrow. But if you are far away, then after the focus, then we see the reverse of the arrow. So this jar with water work like a spherical lens, and the result is that we see the reverse of the arrow. Okay, thank you very much. If you like it, then please subscribe.